Hello guys, welcome to Cracku video series. In this video, we'll be talking all about the crash course that we are going to launch for the Maharashtra CET 2021 exam. So Cracku is launching this crash course from 1st Feb. The course covers the entire syllabus. So there will be 80 hours of videos covering the entire syllabus of each and every section. And there will also be a special focus on logical reasoning and abstract reasoning as well. And we'll also be giving you a very detailed 1-month schedule which covers entire syllabus as such, which covers each and every topic. So this is the batch schedule which includes videos on each and every topic. So from quantitative aptitude to logical reasoning, reading comprehension and abstract reasoning. So as you can see, every topic is covered in detail. Okay, so the course also includes daily tasks which includes videos and tests, and this crash course also includes 10 full-length mocks that are closest to the actual exam. And apart from that, you can also separately enroll for the MAH CET mocks on our website, and they're available at only rupees 499. And also, since mock analysis becomes extremely crucial for a speed-based exam like CET, so we provide a very thorough mock analysis with detailed solutions. So to enroll for this crash course, you can visit our website cracku.in and you can enroll for the course. The fees for the crash course is rupees 1,999 only, and the link for enrolling to the crash course is provided in the description below. And also please follow our website and YouTube channel for regular updates. So thank you so much guys, and all the best for the exam.